Sometimes we just don't have time to whip up even a quick meal, but our stomach is telling us that it's time to refuel. On these days, it's great to be able to purchase a prepared meal at your local grocery store. Due to the rise of consciousness in physical health and wellness, supermarkets have started to catch on and are stocking their prepared foods section with healthy alternatives. So, while food to go may make you think of pizza, it's time you gave your local grocery store another look. Remember that eating out can be expensive, but when your alternative is just as pricey junk food, know you're putting your money to good use. Your body will thank you for it later. Sometimes life just gets in the way. 1. High-protein meals. As tempting as that spaghetti to-go dish may look, try and steer clear of pasta and sugary sauces, and instead, go for the chicken breast and veggies. Stores will often season their meats too, so don't worry about a lack of flavor. 2. Protein shakes. If plans are going to keep you on the road for a while, then look for a protein shake that you can either fix on the go, or is pre-packaged. Many health food stores make protein shakes in-house and keep them in the prepared foods section. Not only are these shakes nutritious, but they're also pretty tasty. 3. Prepared snacks. You meant to prepare your snacks for the week, but something came up, so now what? Are you stuck hitting up the vending machine for a sugary candy bar? Not so fast. Take a few minutes and swing by your local grocery store where you're bound to find lots of healthy, prepackaged snacks like nuts, string cheese, and protein bites. 4. Use Ziploc bags. There's never an excuse to not bring a healthy, pre-planned snack thanks to Ziploc bags. Not only do they come in a variety of sizes, but many of them allow you to write on the outside of the packaging, which makes meal prep even easier. When you're stocking up on good food at the store, make sure to swing by the section that carries foil and plastic wrap. You'll find a large selection of Ziploc bags that are perfect for portioning out your snacks. With these on hand, both at your job and at home, you can say goodbye to inhaling bags of potato chips, and hello to healthy, portioned-out snacks. They're easy to stack in your cupboard, fit nicely in a lunch pail, and can even go in your purse. Consider bagging peanuts, cashews, homemade granola bars, protein cookies, and other tasty healthy snacks. And be sure to look for new ideas and recipes online. People around the world are uploading their own versions of healthy snacks on a daily basis. Are you eco-friendly? Don't worry, companies like Clear Bags make eco-friendly compostable sandwich bags. And if you want something easier on your wallet, reusable zip bags can be found on Amazon. That's it for today. We hope these tips will really help you meal prep so that you can make it easier for yourself to lose weight. We would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down below and subscribe for more content. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications to get notified when we post any future videos. Make sure you assess yourself and take a step towards general wellness.